today's class we are going to learn about what? Metals and non-metals. In metals and non-metals, today's experiment is what? Burning of magnesium ribbon. After burning, what type of compound we get? When it is dissolved in water, what is formed? That we are going to test now. So let us burn this magnesium ribbon first. See, when we hold this to the flame, it starts burning. Magnesium ribbon works with a dazzling flame in presence of oxygen. Okay, just you can see, we will collect this ash in a beaker. See, we will collect this ash in a beaker. After burning, one of the compound is formed. Can you name that compound? When magnesium reacts with oxygen? What is that? Magnesium oxide. Yeah. So we are collecting this magnesium oxide in a beaker. Next, you can see the dazzling flame. Okay, yes. Turn on the lights. Now we add water to this beaker now, right? What we have collected? Magnesium when reacted with oxygen, it produced magnesium oxide. Means that is white color ash. That I have collected in this beaker. I am going to add water to this beaker now. Okay? We will add water to this beaker. As you know already, we are adding water to this beaker. It contains magnesium oxide. Okay? White ash what we have taken, that is present in the beaker. I am adding water to this. After adding water, we will test this. What is the nature of this solution? What is formed there? Okay, we will learn. Now, when water is mixed with magnesium oxide, one compound is formed. We call it as what? Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, yes, magnesium hydroxide. Now we will test this with the litmus paper and check whether this solution, whether it is acidic, basic or neutral. That also we need to test, right? Yes. Now we will first test for blue litmus first. Okay. When you dip blue litmus into this beaker, what color it changes to? Check once. You can see blue litmus, it is remaining blue, right?
Yes, sir.
Means there is no change in the color. So it indicates that this is not working. Means blue litmus is not changing the color. Still we don't know whether it is basic or neutral, we don't know. But if it was acidic, it would change to red color, right?
Yes, sir.
It is not acidic, only this much we can decide. Now let us go ahead with this red litmus paper. If this also does not change color, then what will be the nature of the solution?
Neutral.
Neutral, exactly. Okay, very good. See, now I will dip this red litmus and check what color it changes to, whether it changes or not. Is it changing to blue?
Yes, sir.
See, it is not remaining red color now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We will check that with one more litmus paper. Still more, we will stir it well. Okay. After dissolving that, magnesium oxide, it is producing magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, if it changes red litmus paper to blue litmus, what can we say? Magnesium hydroxide, whether it will be basic or acidic?
Basic.
Yes, of course it will be basic. Now once again we dip one more red litmus and we will test this. Is it changing to blue litmus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is blue color changing, red litmus, right?
Yes, sir.
This indicates that what? When we burn magnesium ribbon in presence of air, it reacts with the oxygen present in the air in order to produce what? Magnesium oxide. That is one compound. Okay, this reaction is called chemical reaction. Remember, why? New product is obtained in this reaction. What is the new product? Magnesium oxide. That is new product. Okay, these are called reactants. Magnesium and oxygen, they are called reactants. What we are getting after reacting them, that is called product. Product is new one. So this is a chemical reaction. Now what did we do? Here next we took this. In the beaker we collected that magnesium oxide, that is MgO, and we added some water to that. When we mixed and stirred it well, it changed to water, one solution. We prepared that solution. We don't know what type of solution is that. We cannot decide this in the beginning itself that is acidic or basic. No. Just we have to go for a litmus paper test as we did in the case of blue litmus. When I dipped this blue litmus paper, it did not change its color to red. Means this indicates that this solution is not acidic, right? Yes. Next we are going for a, if it is not acidic, only two options will remain. Either it has to be what, neutral, or it has to be
Basic.
Yes. Now, if I dip that again red litmus paper into that, this solution, if it changes that red litmus to blue color, only then we can say that what? That is basic in nature. Okay. Otherwise it will be neutral, right? Now we will, once again we are testing this. You can see this red litmus paper changed to blue color or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This indicates that this metal oxides which are formed, metal oxides, how they are formed when metal is burnt in process of air, it formed out of this metal oxide, that is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide. When magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, okay, that produced one more compound. What is that? Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is what? It is a base. So that is why it changed what, blue litmus to red litmus to what? Blue litmus. This indicates that what? Metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay, what is the nature of metal oxides?
Basic in nature.
One more thing. Why do we call this metal oxide? Because in this compound you can find magnesium is a metal. Okay. This metal, it is combined with oxygen. So that is why it is metal oxide. Remember. Right. So this is all about the what will be the nature of metal oxides. Okay. So that is their basic in nature.